When it comes to getting reliable power transfer for welding, automotive work, or solar systems, the quality of your cable matters just as much as the equipment you connect it to. Choosing the best welding cables can dramatically improve performance, reduce voltage loss, and deliver smoother results for demanding projects. With so many options made from different materials and flex levels, finding the right cable can feel confusing. We break down the top choices of this year with clear, simple guidance. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 1. Windy Nation 2-Gauge Welding Cable. The Windy Nation 2-Gauge Welding Cable earns the first position because it offers a strong blend of flexibility, efficiency, and reliable conductivity, making it suitable for welding, vehicle setups, inverter systems, and solar installations. This cable is crafted with attention to detail and is designed for users who want dependable performance without dealing with stiffness or excessive heat buildup. The length combination of 20 feet in red and 20 feet in black gives users more freedom in how they route the cables, which is especially helpful in complex setups. One thing that stands out is how smoothly this cable handles bends and movement. Many welding cables can become stiff when temperatures change, but this model maintains a soft and flexible structure that is easy to maneuver, which ensures safer installation, cleaner routing, and better performance during tasks that require frequent cable adjustment. Whether you are connecting batteries, powering an inverter, or running a welding system, this cable supports stable energy flow with minimal resistance. The materials used in the Windy Nation cable help maintain strong conductivity, allowing it to deliver consistent power during continuous use. This is important for users who demand strong current flow without interruption. It also performs well in different working environments, whether indoors or outdoors, making it a well-rounded solution. The insulation is built to handle tough conditions and protect the copper inside, which helps extend the cable's lifespan. Key advantages include high flexibility, strong conductive performance, durable insulation, and stable energy transfer in various environments. Number 2. Shirbly 2/0 Gauge Welding Cable. The Shirbly 2/0 Gauge welding cable is ideal for users who want a strong, thick cable that can handle heavier power transfer for welding tasks, automotive systems, and generator connections. This cable is designed to deliver efficient current flow with minimal drop, which is essential for setups that involve long periods of operation or equipment that demands high amperage. The red and black pairing makes it easy to identify polarity, making installation simpler and safer for all users. One thing that stands out is how smoothly this cable handles bends and movement. Many welding cables can become stiff when temperatures change, but this model maintains a soft and flexible structure that is easy to maneuver. This ensures safer installation, cleaner routing, and better performance during tasks that require frequent cable adjustment. Whether you are connecting batteries, powering an inverter, or running a welding system, this cable supports stable energy flow with minimal resistance. The materials used in the Shirbly cable help maintain strong conductivity, allowing it to deliver consistent power during continuous use. This is important for users who demand strong current flow without interruption. It also performs well in different working environments, whether indoors or outdoors, making it a well-rounded solution. The insulation is tough to handle rough surfaces, heat exposure, and general wear, adding longevity to the cable. Key advantages include strong conductive ability, smooth flexibility, efficient energy transfer, and support for heavy-duty applications. Number 3. EWC 2-Gauge Welding Cable. The EWC 2-Gauge welding cable is known for its dependable build quality and impressive flexibility. Made in the United States, this cable focuses on delivering consistent performance for users who need a reliable energy path for welding machines, power equipment, and battery systems. The 25-foot length makes it a strong choice for setups that require extended reach while still maintaining stable conductivity. This cable stands out because of its smooth bend radius, which makes it easier to handle during installation or repositioning. Many cables become stiff or difficult to manage as they age, but this one maintains a soft and pliable structure that allows it to support frequent usage. Whether used in a workshop or an outdoor setup, the cable remains flexible and dependable. This quality is particularly important for welders who need consistent movement without strain on the cable. The conductive core is crafted to deliver strong and steady current flow, helping to reduce voltage drop and improving the performance of connected devices. It works well with both light and heavy workloads, making it a versatile option for a wide range of tasks. The insulation is sturdy enough to handle rough surfaces, heat exposure, and general wear, adding longevity to the cable. Key advantages include extra flexible structure, consistent power flow, durable insulation, and long reach for extended setups. Number 4. Shirbly 1/0 cable with terminals. The Shirbly 1/0 cable with terminals is a helpful choice for users who want a ready-to-install solution for battery, inverter, and welding connections. This package includes a pair of cables with pre-crimped terminals, making the installation process faster and easier. Users who prefer not to attach their own terminals will appreciate the convenience and reliability this design offers. It's suitable for automotive systems, marine setups, solar installations, and small welding tasks where strong current flow is important. A strong advantage of this cable is the quality of the copper core. Pure copper helps improve conductivity, ensuring efficient current flow with reduced resistance. This supports stable operation for devices that depend on continuous and reliable power. It maintains its performance even during extended use, which helps users complete tasks without interruptions or overheating concerns. The flexibility of this cable adds value. Even with thicker gauge construction, it bends smoothly and does not feel stiff during installation. This helps users gain cleaner cable routing and reduces stress on the terminals. The included terminals fit firmly and maintain a stable connection, lowering the risk of voltage drops. The insulation is tough and protects the internal copper from exposure or damage, helping to ensure long service life. Key advantages include pre-installed terminals, pure copper conductivity, strong flexibility, and protective insulation. Number 5. EWCS 1/0 Welding Cable Kit. The EWCS 1/0 welding cable kit is a complete package for users who want both cable and accessories in one setup. This cable pair includes 10 feet of red and 10 feet of black cable, along with connectors and shrink tubing. The added accessories make this a great option for users who want to build custom-length connections while maintaining secure and stable attachment points. It serves automotive, marine, welding, and solar setups efficiently. One important quality of this cable is its ability to handle high current flow with stable performance. The pure copper construction helps deliver strong conductivity, reducing the chances of overheating and voltage loss. This makes it a suitable choice for systems that run continuously or require dependable energy transfer. Even over time, the cable maintains smooth performance without hardening or declining. The flexibility of this cable helps during installation, especially in tighter spaces or around complex routing paths. Users benefit from the smooth bend radius, which makes the cable easier to shape without forcing pressure on the internal copper. The included connectors are well made and help support strong electrical contact when crimped properly. The heat shrink tubing adds protection and prevents exposure, contributing to a cleaner and safer installation. Key advantages include complete installation kit, pure copper core, ultra-flexible build, and secure connector options.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.